hell.
We don't like you.
Yeah, we mean that.
Emphatically.
Yeah, what does that mean?
I have no idea.
It's a good word.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Ah, who needs you, Splodge?
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous.
What's the matter?
Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust.
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone.
No, you won't, because the magic you refuse to believe in gets the better of you.
You can run, but you can't hide. Right, Itchy? Itchy's hungry.
This is your shining time, too. Well done, Thomas. Well done.
Puffball! Teapot! Oh, well. Nice time of the year for a cruise.